Welcome to our final project for this section, building a classic number guessing game. This project is a review, bringing together our knowledge of the random, module, loops, and conditional logic to create an interactive program. 1. Setup and generating the secret number. First, we import the random module. We then use randant to select a secret number between 1 and 20, including both endpoints. We initialize the guess variable to 0, which ensures it is not equal to the secret number at the start. This allows our while loop to begin. 2. The main game loop. The core logic is a while loop that continues as long as the user's guess is not equal to the secret underscore number. Inside the loop, we take the user's input, convert it to an integer using the try and except block to handle errors, and then provide feedback using if, elif, and else. If the guess is too low or too high, the loop continues. 3. Winning the game. When the user correctly guesses the number, the while loop condition becomes false, and the program breaks out of the loop. We place the final congratulatory message outside the loop, as it only executes once the loop has successfully terminated, confirming the win. To summarize, we integrated several Python concepts into a practical and fun application. Our next lecture 15.01. List comprehensions. See you there.